Hello viewers, today I was telling about how to fix the we could not generate a reply error in Character.AI. If you encounter the we could not generate a reply error message in Character.ai, there are several steps you can take to resolve the issue. Check the data you have entered. The first step is secure the input data. Ensure that is accurate and relevant to make sure the data is complete and free from errors. If necessary, update or modify the input data to improve its accuracy. It is possible that the reply generated by character does not meet their guidelines. Wait and try. If the above steps work, it may be to wait and try later. Sometimes the system may be overloaded or experience the technical issues that are beyond your control. In the cases, it is the best to wait and try again later. Try using a VPN. VPNs are commonly used to encrypt the internet traffic and protect users' privacy by routing their traffic through a remote server, but they do not directly affect the functioning of AI generated the text that begin. There are some cases where using a VPN could potentially resolve the issue. Clear browser cache. A browser cache is temporary storage that stores website data such as images, scripts, and HTML files to make the browsing faster and more efficient. Clearing the browser cache can help to refresh the website data and fix any issues related to outdated or corrupted cache files. Update your browser. If you recommend to keep the up to date and use the latest version available, this can help ensure that the browser has necessary features and security updates to work smoothly with the platform. Contact Character.ai support. If the issues persist, contact the Character.ai support for assistance. They can help to diagnose and resolve the technical issues that may by preventing the system from generating a response.